Hey friends, if you wish to insert citations in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Go to the References tab. References is where you can get the references from. Click on Insert Citation and you can add a new source. So when you click on add a new source, we can write the author, title and everything. Or we can simply click on add a new placeholder and you can tag this place. So I will name it as K and it immediately becomes a tag. So to avoid this situation, use it after the cursor. Okay. Okay, so this is how you can add a placeholder, and as for adding a citation, you can mention the author here, okay, and the title, year, city, and everything. Okay, so you can say title is test, and year is 2025, and city is Noida, and publisher we don't need that, and the tag name is KAR25. Click on OK, and see they will create a new placeholder and a whole citation here. So this is how you can insert citations, and as for managing sources, you can also add sources here. Okay. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.